Hello, good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This time we're gonna finish the kitchen. I'm possibly starting the next room. And the last time we finished the kitchen cabinet, and then we did this part over here. So this time the format is gonna be different. As you can see, I have all I need to finish the kitchen. But what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to let you know what part I'm doing in the book. And then like right now, I'm going to be cutting these, but I'm going to taking the template out because I don't need them. And it's going to be seen on the inside. So I'm going to be mounting this piece, right? And then we're going to go over here and mount it over here. Then if I have to stop and explain you something, I will do that. So I'm going to pull you a little bit more down so you can see, and let's get started. So we are finishing the kitchen, and I'm going to cut these pieces to attach it to the, and the reason that I'm leaving these pieces is because it has a line that needs to be folded. But once I do that, I take the pieces out. Needs a little bit more of this so it won't come off. You see why the repositioning glue is good for when the template is going to be placed temporarily, not permanently like in some other cases, because then it will be easier for you to cut the pieces and you don't have to juggle between your fingers on how I'm gonna cut this. I know I have to fold it over here. So I fold it and then I take it off. According to the picture, it goes this way. So we should glue it in the inside. By the way, I have updated the links, the description box in the roll and materials. I posted most of the materials for all the items, all the craft that are going to be done in this channel. So how we're going to put this piece in a piece that doesn't have anything to really stand up. It's too thin to put glue on it. So first, when you do something like this, try to, how you say it, first check where you're going to put the glue. So let's try to put some glue on it. Very on the corner. On the inside. Right at the border. I'm putting a little bit more of usual because if you can see, the piece is too thin. It doesn't matter if it's not level. This is going to go on the inside. Like I said before, defects can be covered. What cannot be covered is the wrong position of the atom. And sometimes all depends. If you catch it on time, you can fix it. Put the B15. And like I said before, they are already marked. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in here. Yeah, it goes inside. So the piece goes inside. Okay, so now we're gonna put these on the top. We have to glue it like this. So it's on the side. So guys, I was able to put the one on the top, and then you can use an awl, you know, to push the pieces, but don't work on it. But an idea that it came up is that this piece will be better if you put it from the inside. There will be less mess and less work to it. So now we're gonna put the burners. So I found the C46 roaming in another room, and let's put it over here. C46. Oops. First of all, I'm gonna cut this. When you cut with wire tweezers, you cut with the plain side toward the on the wire, because if you cut this side, you're gonna leave a bevel just like this one. So I'm gonna cut a little bit so it can be, you see, if you straighten it out. So that's a tip for when you need to cut wires. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot that it wasn't filming and that it was on pause. So I bend it out. I cut a little bit the bottom, because the bottom part of the faucet, because It has a little bit of bevel on it. So, and what I did is I bend it. I mean, I file it and then I bend it. And this is a little crook. It needs to be flattened out a little bit. And this needs to be filed. You see, because it has some dent on it. So my faucet has a satin finish. You know, these are conversational pieces. You can even create a story around them, even for your kids. And I forgot to straighten it out. Now, we're gonna do this part of the flower pot, and then we stick it over here. Okay? So yesterday, what I did, I was gonna tell you about this. What I did was the rest of the rooms. And I think that's gonna be the best way. I have another house that I'm gonna be unboxing, and the Christmas house, I'm gonna put a picture on it and the link below. Well, I'm gonna try to put a I'm not gonna throw away. I don't throw away anything. Not even the templates, just in case, until I finish. But materials, I don't throw away because you never know when you're gonna need it. You lose a material, you lose something, a bead, and if you kept beads from the previous houses, you get creative and fix it. This one is a little off because what I did is I put a cardboard on my mat so you guys can see better, because the green on the background, I figure it could be probably too dark. And I know some of us, you know, are a little challenged on our eyesight. So we finished this part, and let's turn the page. Let's see. So we're gonna be doing some interesting pieces and put it in top of the stove. Okay, something about this table. Definitely the kit didn't came out with C68. That's one of the reasons why I organize all the rooms and separate and stick templates to the background. And my husband is going to make those legs. So, because I'm not going to wait for them to send me legs. And I need 8 pieces because this is not the only table. There is another table that needs them. So I'm going to prepare, I'm going to leave this part of the table until I get the legs. We have this over here that I already stick to it, but I stick it with the beacon glue because this one can stay in there. And something about cutting, when you're cutting, especially the round stuff, you don't go like this. You keep on cutting, but the piece that you have to move is the one that you have to move. I'm gonna stop it over here. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you in the next one where we're gonna finish the kitchen definitely and start with the bathroom. Okay, until then, love and peace to all of you.